Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can upload multiple separate photos on your Instagram story. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to upload multiple separate photos on your Instagram story, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, the next step is to upload your story. Simply tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And then go to Story. And then you can now select if you want to take a new photo with Instagram camera for your story, or to upload the story images from your device. But since we want to upload multiple photos to our story, we'll choose the option to upload images from our device, since this allows us to select multiple photos at once, unlike taking photos directly with the Instagram camera. And after that, you will now see all the images on your device. So to select multiple photos, what you must avoid doing is to tap a photo to select, since this will automatically just select one photo only. So instead of tapping, I want you to long press the first photo you want to include to your story. And after long pressing, there it is guys, you will now have the option to select, so you can now tap other photos that you want to add to your story. And once you're done selecting, tap next to proceed. After that, you can now add any additional elements you want to your story, such as captions, filters, music, and more. And once you're done adding additional elements, just tap next. And then tap share. And then finally, you can now tap the done button to upload your story on Instagram. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your story with multiple photos will now be uploaded on Instagram just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.